So here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in the pairing mode. So both the buds are in the case. Let me open these up. Now I'll notice in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white, 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 or if you hear a pairing chime, okay? But anyway, I don't get a white blinking light. I get a solid white light here, and then it goes off. The reason is because I'm connected to a device that is right by me, one of my phones. So let me manually put this in the pairing mode, okay? So both the buds are in the case. You get that little button here in the case. I'm going to press and hold until the light here starts blinking white, okay? Button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait. Now it's blinking white, and you also hear the pairing chime, okay? So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our LG TV. And you want to go to the settings, leave the settings button on your remote, go that way. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, go to the home page and then navigate to the gear icon, top left hand side. So let me move on over. Settings right there, okay that. And now you can see the settings is highlighted up there, so we're going to okay on the remote again. And you can see it's spinning. Give it 1 second here. And now we're going to go down one to sound, and then we're going to select OK on the remote. And now from here we're going to go down one to sound out. Currently it's coming out of my TV speaker, but we wanted to come out of those earbuds. So let's select sound out right there. And now from here we're going to go down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's select that. We're going to select on Bluetooth device right there. And now let's move down here. Now see that spinny thing at the bottom is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, all right, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range, and it should find these. The thing is, it's no longer in pairing mode. It stopped, okay? So let me put these in pairing mode again. That button is right here. Let me just press and hold for a few seconds. Wait. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. Back into pairing mode again. Now we have to wait for it to find it. We might have to go up. There you go. I was going to rescan again, but it found it. Powerbeats Pro right there. It's already highlighted. That's okay on the remote. It says connecting. And I just heard the connecting chime on the earbuds, and it says connected up there as well. So there you go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.